Now it's time for you to do some exercise on Veed.io. So, folks, as I've already said, I've explained everything there was supposed to be explained with Veed, and we can actually Veed.io, okay? And now it's your time to show up your skills and create some wonderful videos. Even if you take a video of your own, or literally from even from the internet on YouTube, some podcaster or some guy speaking something about a topic, even something like Elon Musk speaking on something, and create a video, not specifically like the one I created with AI and all of that, but just like that, create it and put it up and put the captions and do all the video AI kind of editing you possibly want. As you've seen, it's so easy. It'll be a great way to start off. It'll be a great way to kick off. And if you think it's really a good thing and you're a content creator or you're planning to be a content creator, probably Weed is a really good choice to start with. I'll have the link to it in the description or in the resources section. That was it from this section. I'll see you in the next section with something very grand and special. See you there.